Hello students, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to give you the answers of The Master Artist. This is a story from your English literature reader book. Well, I haven't given the questions to you. You may copy it from your book. So I'll just dictate them. Let's start with exercise A, answer number 2. Monsieur Seigneur l'Abbé had been a master artist of his day. He also thought about how highly the artist had been recommended. Answer 3. For his entire career of 45 years, Monsieur l'Abbé had longed to paint in his own way. Monsieur Seigneur l'Abbé had hungered to break free of restraints, but the guild, his craft, and livelihood would never have allowed it. So he followed their rules. The fourth answer. Perhaps his patron could not tolerate his cubist expression, but Pablo Picasso would have been proud of him. If truth be told, Monsieur l'Abbé wasn't crazy, not at all. He'd simply been born 500 years too early. Let's move to exercise B. The first answer is yes, there was another reason why l'Abbé told Bartoli that he did not have to pose for him. L'Abbé had planned to finally paint the way he had always wanted to, but had never got the chance to. He did not want Bartoli to see how he was painting the portrait, as it was going to be a new and different style. Let's move to the second question. According to l'Abbé, the painting was taking so long because his teacher Ambrogio Lorenzetti had taught him now how to grind pigment and lay plaster slowly and quickly, and had taught him not to hurry. He also said that the painting was going to be a buon fresco, which needed fair coats of lime plaster and was time consuming work. Third answer is the masterpiece took 6 months to finish. It took so long not only because it was 20-foot tall buen fresco, which needed 4 coats of lime plaster, but also because l'Abbé had fussed over it and worked on it for a long time. Answer 4. At this point, Bartoli was astonished. He felt furious and disappointed. His mouth fell open, his eyes turned red, and his eyebrows twisted, as if he was under a spell. He grabbed the few hairs on his head, did a little whoop and a twitch. Now, time for the fifth answer. When Bartoli looked at the picture, he felt that l'Abbé was not an artist because l'Abbé had painted the portrait in a completely new and different style from what was popular at that point of time. Bartoli could not appreciate the style at all. He called him a thief because he thought money. without painting a proper portrait. He called him a madman because his style was so different from what Bertolli was used to that he could not understand why Labe had painted that. So, children, this is it. These are all the answers of the questions that you need to write. Take the help of your book, write the questions, and copy all these answers. Thank you.